Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, enter system section, then go to the reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap delete all data, and then tap delete all data one more time to confirm whole operation. After that, your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.